guys, we're back for day 2. We're going to be talking about exponential decay. So we're still dealing with the exponential function. Okay, set up just like last time, a still has to be greater than 0, but this time b is our base decaying factor. Okay, so b is going to be in between 0 and 1. Okay, so it's going to be like 0 point something. Okay, so let's do the first one together. So we have 3 million is the initial population. There's a 1.5% annual decrease, and then they want to know after 10 years. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is say A is the 3 million. Okay, B, first we need to do 1.5 divided by 100, and we get 0.015. Okay. This time, instead of that just being our b, we have to do 1 minus. So b equals 1 minus 0.015. This one has an extra step. So we do 1 minus 0.015, and I get 0.985. 0.985. Okay, so this is my a, this is my b. Now I'm creating the equation. Y equals, it says create the exponential function and then solve it. So you have to give me both. So A is 3 million. Okay, times, we have the 0.985 to the x. That's my function. Now I'm going to solve it by putting 10 in. .985 to the 10th power. You just solve. So I have 3 million, okay, times the 0.985 to the 10th power. I get 20, I get, I cannot see, 257,000. I cannot see, 191.33. So it's actually, we're going to round our answer to y is equal to, I cannot put the comma in the right space, I have 2,579, comma, 191. So I have 2,579,191 people. Okay? And if you can see, it went down from 3 million to 2,000 to the 2 million. Okay, that's the decay part that's happening. We're losing. Okay, next one. I have 1,000, so A is 1,000. B, first I need to do 10 divided by 100. I get 0.1. For B, I do 1 minus 0.1. So I get 0.9. Okay? So my exponential function, y equals 1,000 times the 0.9 to the x power. I have 4 years, so now y equals 1,000 times 0.9 to the 4th power. I have 1,000 times 0.9 to the 4th power. So y equals 656.1. Okay? And we know since we're dealing with money, we just add a 0. Put the money sign. Okay? Next one. This time we have a $10,000 investment. So A is 10,000. For B, I do 12.5 divided by 100. I get 0.125. So B equals 1 minus 0.125. When you do that in your calculator, 1 minus 0.125, get 0.875. Okay, so now I have my A, I have my B. So now I'm just going to create the equation. Y equals 10,000 times the 0.875 to the x power. Okay, now I'm looking to see what am I plugging in for x. X is 7. Okay, so y equals 10,000 times 0.875 to the 7th power. Okay, plug that right into the calculator. 10,000 times 0.875 to the 7th power. $3,926. And we're talking about money, so 0.9, and then we have to round to 6th. Money. Okay? These last two are a little bit different. So they give us the function, and they want us to find the annual percent of decrease. So just like they gave us a percent decrease here, that's what we're going to be finding. We're not worried about the x, we're not worried about anything. So what we're going to do is, how would we solve for this? Okay, so we know that b equals 0.955. Okay, this is what we're concerned about. We need to convert this to percentage, so times it by 100, okay, which would be 95.5%. Okay. Then we're going to take 100% minus the 95.5% to get our answer. When we subtract these two, we should get 4.5%. Okay, and this is a decrease annually, or annual decrease. Okay? So we convert b to a percentage, subtract it from 100, and that's our answer. Last one. So now that we know our b is 0.5, we're going to times by 100. So we get 50%. 100% minus 50% equals 50%, and that's annual decrease. Okay? That's it.